It's definitely relieving. I was pretty nervous coming in, just hoping I could defend my title.
Talk about the difference in this year and last year. I mean, obviously, you said nerves coming in.
Right. Last year I was actually way more nervous than this year. The nervousness this year came from because I was trying to get the state record, which was
and next up on the track,
but I didn't end up getting it, so
2A girls 400-meter
How nervous
dash.
were you after fouling twice?
Running 3 sections per class.
I was pretty nervous just because my steps have been perfect all year, and then we got to districts last weekend. My steps were all off, and I had no idea what was going on because they had been perfect all year, so it's kind of scary.
How's it feeling to walk away with another title?
It's relieving. I didn't even know if I was going to make it to finals, so definitely a huge relief.
Seemed like you got in a little better rhythm though once you got into the finals. You improved with each jump there.
Right. I had to switch my feet at the start, and my steps were still a little bit off. I still wasn't getting my penultimate step in correct, but like I said, it's just a relief that I still got to defend my title.